+27 when I dial in.
Make me sweat. Make me lose my breath. Make me sweat.
Hey everyone, it's Asal and welcome back to my channel. As you know, Christmas is on the corner, so today I'm going to do my Christmas makeup. First I start by moisturizing my face and I use my vitamin C oil all over my face and I let it dry for a couple of minutes. Then I use my lip mask on my lips and my eye masks under my eyes to make them moisturize. I wait 10 to 15 minutes for them. For a smooth base, I apply my primer all over my face and then I apply my foundation first on my brush and then all over my face, also my eyelids, to make a smooth base for the eyeshadow. For contour, just imagine two lines like this crossing each other, then draw a line in between. And for concealer, imagine the first line and draw your concealer under that line. And in the middle, apply your blush. And now let's do the magic. For my brows, I use my translucent glycerin soap and I brush everything up. For the eyeshadow, I use Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette and I use the shade Demure because I want a warm, girlish base on my eyes. Then I use the shade Rose Gold, which I can say is the same shade, but it has lots of glitter in it, which I like. I also use this palette and the shade Sweat to fill the gaps in my brows. And now the lashes, which are the most important part of today's makeup. I use half lashes and I use this line and I put the lash along this line to give it a lifted look. Then I use my eyeliner and fill the gaps under the lashes. Then I draw a line from the middle and connect it to the corner. And then I apply my mascara. This technique is so simple and it makes the eyes look lifted instantly. You can see that the difference is huge. Then I use a black eye pencil for my upper lash line and a beige eye pencil for my lower lash line. And at the end, I use the shade Sweat under my eyes to make them even more lifted. OMG, look at this gorgeous lift. For my lips, I start with moisturizing my lips and I use my lip balm and then I use my lip liner. Then I use a warm shade as a base and then I use this purplish darker shade on top of that. And then I tidy the corner with my lip liner. Next, I use my eyeshadow palette and I use the shade Man Eater on top of that to give it a crimson shade. And of course, I need more glitter on my lips, so I use the shade Pink Diamond on top of everything. For bronzer, I put my hands on my face like this and I apply my bronzer so easily. And then I apply my highlighter on my cheekbones. So this was it guys, and now I'm ready for the Christmas. I wish you all love, joy and happiness in the new year. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and share and also subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Love you. Bye.